Nowadays, due to a high level of technology, farmers get a lot of benefit. They can get help for their crops and fertilizers, etc. They use to grow crops in moist and fertile soil, which helps in growth of plants.
After a lot of research,
Farmers use fertilizers to kill the insects. They use various types of fertilizers. It helps in growth and development of the plants and trees. Insects lay eggs. After the rainy season, the insects start growing and start eating the crops. Farmers spread fertilizer on plants to kill the insects. The fertilizers go inside the leaf and the insect dies. The plants grows without getting any harm. Due to this, production increases. Thank you for watching the video.